Do you hate drop-down chips in Google Sheets? Let me tell you 2 reasons why drop-down chips make me frustrated in Google Sheets. So I have chips here and arrows here. And let me show you the first and most aggravating reason is, let's say I want to delete all the options for this chips. So if I select these cells and I hit delete or backspace, the first time it deletes the options, which is exactly what I want. But if I accidentally or intentionally hit twice, it literally removes the drop-down option. So this makes it way too easy to accidentally delete the data validation out of your Google Sheet. Now, what about the second reason? So let's look at these arrows. So first of all, these arrows, if you can hit delete, you can hit backspace, wherever as much as you want, nothing breaks there. And then let's say we select some options here. So here's the second reason. So when you have arrows, and let's say this option one, we're like, hey, I need to delete this. I can come just click on the cell anywhere, doesn't matter. Hit backspace, delete, boom, empty. Now on this chip, if I try to click this to delete, well, now it's trying to make me select something. So what do? Backspace the whole thing up, and then I'm still back in option one. Like, what's going on? So I can't just backspace and hit enter. If I hit exit, it goes back to where I was. So how do I actually delete this cell without deleting the data validation? So basically what I have to do is click outside of this pill. And so sometimes that can be challenging. In this case, this is fairly large on my screen, so I can click here. But sometimes you get in a spot where you're trying to click right around this pill. And now I'm trying to click right on the edge of this without clicking on the drop down. Let me just resize this real quick again. But unless I can click right outside of it, now I can hit delete or enter, but I still have the same issue. If I hit twice, I'm going to delete that drop down as well. So that just makes it a little aggravating and annoying, those two features especially. So now I want to know what drives you crazy about drop down chips, or what do you love about them? Drop it in the comments below and let's dialogue about this. And while you're at it, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel for more videos on both Google Sheets and AppScript. Thanks for watching and have a great day.